Altcoin Season 2.0 might be here, and this could be the biggest opportunity of the year. Crypto is pumping, Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and history shows what comes next. Altcoins explode. So today I'm breaking down my biggest bets for 2025 and what I believe is about to happen in the crypto markets. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin dominance. It's finally starting to drop. This signals one thing: investors are rotating from Bitcoin into altcoins, and that means altcoin season could be starting. And if you're not paying attention right now, you might miss the biggest gains of this year. And I'm not saying sell your Bitcoin, I'm saying never sell your Bitcoin, just stack more altcoins. And let's talk about Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin reached 100K last week, and we are close to new all-time high. And this is the opportunity for all of us just to get more Bitcoin and always DCA your Bitcoin dollar cost average, right? And just hold Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the winner. And we all know that Bitcoin is the crypto we want to hold for life, and this is generational wealth. But today I'm just gonna talk about my altcoin picks for 2025 because we want to focus on altcoins that will outperform Bitcoin, that will show massive gains. And one of them, and the number one, is Solana. Solana has been dominating in tech adoption and user growth. It's leading the charge in speed, low fees, and massive DeFi plus NFT expansions. This is bullish signs for Solana because we got huge developer activity, fastest growing ecosystem after Ethereum, and used by projects like Helium, Phantom, and more. So, just look at Solana because a lot of people are using Solana in daily basis. A lot of projects are launching on Solana. So I think it will attract more and more people, more and more good projects to the Solana ecosystem. And it's not only going to be like meme coins, it's going to be good projects and projects that wants fast and cheap fees and everything. That this blockchain is for people, and like we got Visa and Shopify integration. So Solana is really nice, and I would say entry range is like 125 bucks to 155 bucks is a really good price for Solana. So if it drops on those zones, it's a really good opportunity of buying. And we already have like $100 for Solana. It was really cheap, and I hope so you bought some Solana because you would be like 74% up from that positions. And I just don't want you to miss SUI because SUI is the second pick of mine, and it's still early, and it reminds me of Solana's early days. So why bullish on SUI? It's built by former Facebook Meta devs, right? So super fast layer 1 using the Move language, DeFi plus gaming growth potential, and SUI is going to show like really good growth in a long term. And I'm really bullish on SUI because how you cannot be bullish on SUI when it shows like massive growth. A lot of like coins right now, especially like meme coins, are showing growth like that, but SUI is not a meme coin. SUI is really good coin just for upgrading people's life and stuff like that. And SUI is already like almost at $4. So you missed the entry, but you can still try to catch those drop days. Bad days are still coming anyways, right? So there will be good days, there will be bad days, but an altcoin season, we're gonna see a lot of movement and like coins, and like 20-30% gains per day is like casual for us in this moment. So you can see like 30% drops per day too. So just try to catch those red days, buy SUI, and you won't regret it. And talking about SUI, SUI has like really nice community around it, right? So I mean, just believe in it. And talking about like community, guess who has the biggest community in the world? And I'm talking about Dogecoin. I'm talking about Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is more than just a meme. And Elon Musk is still a wild card, and Doge is the most likely people's coin. If anything crazy happens with X, Dogecoin can move. Dogecoin can move higher, and it shows already like really good moves. And I really like Dogecoin because Dogecoin was my first meme coin that I invested heavily in it, and the early Dogecoin days. And I mean, it's not only about Dogecoin, it's about the community, and the biggest community is Doginal dogs. And you can see that the floor price is like $2K, right? It's still really early with Doginal dogs, and I think you should just grab one for yourself. Try to find a good fit for your PFP or something like that. And I mean, just invest, just get those Doginal dogs because they are driving Web3 culture right now. Doginal dogs driving Web3 culture. You need to understand this. And this is the most active NFT community on crypto Twitter, on X, and Dogecoin right now. And imagine it's not only about Dogecoin, right? That I was talking about. It's about Doginal dogs too. So I mean, Doginal dogs can improve Dogecoin price, and Dogecoin price can improve Doginal dogs. So it's a win-win for both sides. And the community is strong, fun, surprisingly serious. So everyone is grinding hard for their bags. They're like grinding hard for improving. And you need to be optimized. You need to be optimized to achieve success. And this is what our community is doing. We are optimizing ourselves, and we want to be the best version of ourselves, and we want to help everyone to reach that. And that's why I joined Doginal dogs, because they are hungry, they're ready to win, and we are all winners because you cannot lose when a lot of people, smart people, working together. And that's why Doginal dogs and Dogecoin will go higher, because I just believe in it. I see the work every single day on the red days, right? I mean, people are coming to talk about crypto on good days, like everyone, right? They just want to sell on you because you will be the exit liquidity for them, right? Crypto pumps, boom, people are talking about stuff like that, and they just are looking for exit liquidity. And this is different. This is different. People are working together, and they're not here to sell on you. They are here to buy with you together and move higher. So keep an eye on it because it's amazing. And my fourth pick is XRP, because yesterday XRP flipped USDT in market cap, and that's a huge signal for me. That's a huge signal for me and for everyone. And it's still one of the best solutions for fast, cheap cross-border transfers. That means people are using XRP to transfer their funds, to transfer their crypto, and because it's cheap, it's easy. And I mean, XRP could be a dark horse if more clarity comes from US regulations. So I mean, entry range could be like really good, above like $1.95 or something like that. So everything is moving right now, right? Everything is moving right now, and you need to be prepared for like bigger altcoin move, right? It's just a start, right? It's just a start. And I mean, I'm too bullish on crypto and everything, so it's really hard to see like how big we're going to go on this season. But XRP could reach like $7 easily, and I think it could go to like $10 or something like that. But don't forget, like XRP is still going to that way to be more centralized than decentralized. And yeah, I mean, XRP wasn't moving for long time, right? And I called it, before it pumped, called it on like 50 cents or something like that, and it could still go down to 50 or 70 cents. And I mean, that entry range would be like really perfect for you guys. And I mean, will it happen? I'm not sure, but when the bear market happens, everything can happen, right? Everything can drop like significantly, and everything can drop, right? So I mean, you need to pay attention. And if you're like serious about crypto, you should be checking the markets and everything. Put some signals. You can get some signals when the good opportunity happens, right? And the entry range for you is good. But I mean, buying crypto right now is just, I think you cannot miss on anything because every coin will probably go up. So I mean, just pick your winner, right? Pick your winners. And don't forget, this is not a financial advice or anything. Before investing, do your own research and everything, guys. And I'm just a guy from YouTube, and that's it, right? I don't want to get any responsibilities from you, right? So I'm just trying to show you guys what I'm looking for and what actually will move in my perspective. And I mean, I cannot stop talking about Ethereum because everyone thought Ethereum is dead. Ethereum is heating up again, and the recent Pectra upgrade might have triggered this momentum. And I mean momentum of Altcoin season 2.0, because Ethereum always starts Altcoin season, right? Ethereum is starting it, and I mean, it moved pretty nicely, right? It moved pretty nicely, and I think this triggered the Altcoin season. And we were waiting for Altcoin season longer because of those Trump tariffs and stuff like that. It got delayed, right? But I think it's finally here. And Pectra upgrade for Ethereum is really good. And what is the Pectra upgrade? So major improvements to staking, right? So staking is like easier right now and better. Like, we got new smart wallets, flexibilities on Ethereum, and I mean, more efficient gas usage. And I'm talking about Ethereum right now, and Ethereum gives an opportunity to pay gas fees with other coins. And I mean, it's really interesting because when you pay gas fees on Ethereum, in the past with Ethereum, you paid Ethereum, right? And it was like pretty huge, but that gas fee was always burned. So that means we burned that Ethereum, and it was like pretty good for Ethereum. But I mean, right now they will get a lot of coins, like stable coins and stuff like that. So what are they going to do with that stable coin, right? What they are going to do with those coins that we paid for gas fees? We need to understand this, because if they are going to just cash out the coins and don't do anything like that, just take some profits, right? I mean, it's I don't know if that's really good. But if they put that money on Ethereum, if they're like going to stack more Ethereum because they are bullish on themselves, that would be like really good option. So Ethereum is not dead. Ethereum won't be dead, and Ethereum will climb pretty good. And I believe Ethereum is like a silver, digital silver. And Ethereum always leads the altcoin rally. So when Ethereum pumps, the rest follow. And that what happened in the past week. We saw a really nice climb on altcoin. And entry range on Ethereum is really good, like 2k or something like that. 1.7k is a really nice option, right? But maybe this is just a bull trap. Maybe people are showing us it's climbing, but it actually, we are an exit liquidity and it just drops down to like 1.5. It could happen too, but after that drop it will still skyrocket because big market makers, they are trying to grab that liquidity pool, right? They want to grab that liquidity pool before going parabolic. So there is like really big chance that we are going to see on every coin that liquidity grab before parabolic movement. So you need to be careful. Don't go full like leverage and stuff like that, but just pay attention. And I really want to talk about bread on base chain, right? Bread is still the top meme coin on Coinbase base chain, base network, right? So I am bullish on bread, and I mean bread was really down like to like 0.002, like, and stuff like that. And now it's showing the momentum back again. So I hold every bread coin, right? I didn't sold anything. I just DCA'd, right? So I mean that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. And I mean, we're seeing like bread moving right now really beautifully. And bread has a strong community. Coinbase is investing in growth of base, right? Coinbase is investing. They're working on it, right? And when Coinbase users will come to buy meme coins, they will buy bread because it's the first meme coin on base chain, right? So I mean, it's pretty obvious what's gonna happen with bread. And bread is Pepe's degenerate cousin. I mean, it's like, it's a cool meme. And once retail FOMO hits base chain, bread could fly. And I'm talking about like flying really good. So I mean, just keep an eye on bread because bread is really cool and stuff like that. And entry range on bread is good. It's good right now. I mean, I cannot tell you like to buy on 5 cents or something like that. If you're starting, just wait for the dips and just try to DCA, right? So dollar cost average. And when you open the position, don't be anchored with that position, with that price. You don't need to be like relative, with that price. You don't need to lock in that price because you can get it cheaper. You always can get it cheaper, right? You cannot snipe the bottom all the time. It's impossible. So what you need to do is just to buy on the drop. And it's just the way market moves, right? So don't try to catch the exact bottom. Use DCA, buy during dips, stack slowly. That's how you survive and win in volatile markets like this. And altcoin season 2.0 is starting, and green days are likely ahead. And now we got red day. Then that means, it's probably a better possibility to buy on red days than buy on green days, right? Because when you buy on red days, this will be a bigger chance for that coin to go up because it's already like dropping a little bit. And I really want you to make videos on red days because it's always a better opportunity for all of us. And we could see like 20-30% daily pumps on small caps again. So that means altcoin season starts. After altcoin season, smart market cap coins are going to blow up. So that means meme coins and stuff like that. So I think possibility on Solana. I see possibility on Solana because this is the way right now to create a coin on Solana. Just create a meme coin and make it better than a meme coin, and this is simple. So I mean, if you want, just try to catch those points and everything, right? But always remember this: the market market is wild and market makers are out to trap you. So stay bullish, but stay smart. Don't over leverage, don't FOMO, stack wisely. So when you want to play with leverage, I mean, start small. Start small. Don't go like 50x on the coin you are thinking it's going to go up like infinite, right? For example, Solana, you think, oh, Solana is really nice coin, it's bullish, and I will go like all in on Solana with like 30-50x leverage and I will be rich. Yeah, I mean, that's a possibility, but you need to be at least 99% sure, you know, the market makers won't catch you on that liquidity grab. I mean, it's happening all the time in the crypto spaces, right? We are in crypto for long to already know that, right? So I mean, just be patient, stack wisely, and yeah, I mean, I'm happy if this video helped you. I'm really happy, and don't forget to like, comment your favorite coins, what are you bullish on, and subscribe for more alpha, because subscribing is free and we are living in a free world, and you know, we're just getting started, and this is your chance to level up for the next crypto wave. So let's make 2025 the year of massive gains. So see you in the green zone. Peace.